here we see the lower section of TRBA1 outside. See, this is clearly visible over here. Then this should appear here. Yes, it does. It's also a defect. Then this one you can clearly see here. Now the camera has to readjust. And here we see two things. We see a small scratch which is running here, and which is originally, and the other one is artificially imposed. Here we see this again, and then a small scratch here. Here you see also this. Then you will see this again here. Massive reflection, of course, due to this big hole. Also this hole and this hole, and I think we saw this again. Very good. So all is clearly visible.